Hello, my name is Quốc, Chinh, and I come from Gia Định University. In this public speaking session, I am excited to share with you a simple Vietnamese dish called wintermelon soup with pork buns. This is a refreshing, nutritious soup perfect for the hot summer days. Let's cook this nutritious meal together for our daily dinner. Here is a quick overview of the dish. The preparation time 10 minutes. Cooking time for the soup 25 minutes. The difficulty level, this soup is easy to make, so don't worry about that. On the screen, you can see a summary table for the first step to make this dish. The first step, you will learn about the ingredient needed for this dish. The second step, you can be involved preparing for the pork buns. For the step 3 is the preparation of all the ingredients. And the final one, the step 4, cooking for the soup garnishing. Now let's get started. For step 1, the ingredients include pork buns 200 grams. For the wintermelon 1. For the green onion 2 branches. Purple onion 1 bowl, finely chopped. Cooking oil 1 tablespoon and other seasonings. Step 2, preparing the dish. When you buy pork buns, and you need to wash them with the diluted salt water. Then you can cut them into a bite-sized piece. Place all the buns in a bowl, and then you can add 1 tablespoon of seasoning. Add more 1 chopped purple onion, 1 tablespoon of salt, some sugar, and then mix well. Step 3, preparing the other ingredients. You need to peel and clean the wintermelon skin and then cut into a bite-sized piece. Remove the grit of the onion and then chop them finely. Step 4, cooking the soup and garnishing. You need to heat the pan and then add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and then you add the marinated pork buns in the salt and saute it for about 5 minutes. Next, you need to pour 1 liter of water, and then you have to continue simmering the buns for about 50 minutes, and then add the wintermelon and cook for another 5 minutes. When the soup is ready, you ladle into bowls and then sprinkle some pepper and then chop the green onions on the top. That's it. This is a very simple and nutritious soup, right? So that is a summary of 4 steps to make a nutritious meal for those hot summer days. If you have time, give this recipe a try. I'm sure that you will be enjoying. And thank you for watching my video. Goodbye and see you soon.